Okay, so for first aid practicals, you please buy this kind of notebook. Okay, for your first aid practicals, like this type. I guess you know this copy. It's a zoology copy, like that. Okay. Did you get it? It's a botany copy. Okay. Lists of exercises. I guess you have seen this exercise in your school days. This side you can write down, and this side will be your diagram. Okay. If a diagram or if a okay. So you have to maintain this copy for both first aid and PSM. Okay, buy this copy, duta copy. You will have to buy 2 copies, one for PSM, preventive and social medicine, and the other is for first aid. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please do buy this exercise, and for your theories, you have to buy exercises. I will be giving you the notes. Okay, so you will have to note it down properly. If you didn't understand while writing, while the dictation is going on, you can ask me. I will tell you. Okay. Jit Khetri, you are the CR. Still your video is not. You didn't turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So do one thing for first aid. Okay. Now you write down unit 1. Unit 1, did we start, Jit? First unit, chapter first unit, did we start?
No, not yet, ma'am.
This is the first class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down first aid, unit 1. Write down unit 1. Introduction to first aid. Introduction to first aid. Jeet, do you know what is first aid?
Introduction to
First aid. First aid. So, do you have any idea? Any one of you? Do you have any idea what do you mean by first aid? First aid. Do you have any idea? Say something. You all are first years now. Why you all should be smart enough. Say if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. But you should at least interact with the teacher. Harry Tassar. What do you mean by
Yes,
first
ma'am.
aid? What do you understand by first aid?
Ma'am, first aid. Don't know, ma'am.
First aid emergency treatment for emergency treatment.
Kiki, what?
Emergency treatment.
Emergency treatment. Yeah, you are right. Okay, it is an emergency treatment that is given to any casualty, to any person who is suffering. Okay, at the time when the incident has taken place, if you are the person who is responsible or who is taking care of the person at the time when the emergency case has taken place, then you are known as the first aider. Okay, and the patient is known as the casualty. Nowadays means we don't say patient as patient. We just used to refer them as casualty. We say them casualty, but not as patient. Okay, so you just write down introduction to first aid, and below you write first aid is the first and immediate assistance. First aid is the first and immediate assistance. Immediate, IMMEDIATE, immediate assistance. ASSISTANCE, assistance.
hello ma'am.
First,
Immediate
assistance. ASSISTANCE, assistance. Immediate assistance given to any person, 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 given to any person, Person.
Person.
Person can be
Yes.
man or a male or a female. Person means anyone, either male or female. Okay. To any
Okay.
person, person, person suffering from suffering from either a suffering from either 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 suffering from either 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 a minor 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 either a minor or serious minor or serious illness or serious illness double L any double S illness or injury
Injury.
injury 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 comma
Injury.
with care provided with care 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 with care provided 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 with care provided to preserve life with care provided to preserve 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 life 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 to preserve life comma prevent the condition from prevent the condition from worsening 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 prevent the condition from worsening 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 comma or to promote recovery 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 recovery
Or to permit.
or to promote
Ma'am,
or to
শব্দটো
am I audible? How is my network?
শুনা নাই মই শব্দটো ভালকে
Or to promote recovery promote PROMOT promote recovery শুনি পাইছানে
এতিয়া or to promote recovery
or to promote recovery 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 full stop change the paragraph and write down first aid comma however 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 comma does not necessarily any CE double SA RILY necessarily require 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 necessarily require any particular equipment EQUIP MENT equipment or prior knowledge prior prior knowledge 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 prior knowledge comma and can involve 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 improvisation I am PROVISATION improvisation I am PROVISATION improvisation with materials available with materials available at time comma often by untrained people POPLE so what does it mean that even by the untrained people, they can also provide first aid. Okay, always some kind of equipments are required. It is not like that. See, if you will go to a hospital, there are some emergency departments. Okay, there are some ICU, OT. So there are specific type of many kinds of instruments, many kind of machines are available out there. But first aid is something that anything, anytime, anything might happen to any person. For example, if someone has cut his finger accidentally, okay, if your finger has got cut, do you go to hospital directly? No. Okay, if you have a cut in your hand, what do? First thing, you will try to stop the bleeding, right? You will try to stop the bleeding. You will put some kind of bandages. You will put ointments. Even you know that. Okay, that is a concept that we all know that at that time what we should do. If we see someone drowning mane? Dubizwa. Drowning means Jeet. Yes, Jeet. Drowning means what is drowning?
Ma'am, I know, but I can't explain. Means
Tell in
drowning.
Hindi otherwise.
जो पानी में डूब जाता है उसको ड्रॉनिंग बोलते हैं.
हाँ, वही. Okay, डूबीजवाटो. So, if someone gets drowned, okay, what would you do? You will just see from far. Okay, that person is getting drowned. Let me just see from here. You will enjoy that someone is drowning, or what would you do? You will try to help the person, right? You will take him out. You will try to push his chest, right? You will try to take out the water that he has swallowed, the overwater, the excessive water fluid. So you will help that person, especially if he can't swim. Okay, many people doesn't know how to swim. Okay, even me myself, I don't know how to swim. So if we get drowned, you won't just check from outside now, okay, that person is getting drowned, let me just check. But what would you do? You would help the person, right? So that is an emergency situation, and if you are helping, then you are the first aider. So for all these small things, you don't need some practitioner to come and do the work, but you as a commoner also you can do. But if you want to go for further studies, like for example CPR, okay, like giving cardiopulmonary resuscitation, all these resuscitation techniques, ventilation. So for all these things, special training is being given, special courses are there. Okay, for simple things, you know what to do, but for higher things, which we will study, okay, CPR and all we'll study later on. So for all these things, you need to be taught. You need to know. You need to handle the machines. You should know what you should do at the right time. More better in a more qualified way. So that is the introduction to first aid. Okay, what does first aid basically mean? Okay, so definition you write down. Definition right now, definition. That one was the introduction, okay? Now you write definition. Definition, then you write below. First aid is defined as first aid is defined as D-E-F-I-N-E-D, defined as emergency care given immediately, I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y, given immediately to the sick or injured person, until full medical treatment is available. If the case is too serious, then you will have to call for the emergency service. Okay. Do you know the number of emergency service? Anyone? Prince Kumar? Do you know emergency number? Huh?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Forgot.
101 maybe. 101 maybe.
Jyotishmita Devi, do you know? Jyotishmita?
One,
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so it is a homework. Okay, you all go and search today what is the emergency number. Okay, I'll ask you in the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
class. Okay.
108.
Emergency care given immediately to the sick or injured person until full medical treatment is available. Finish. Now full stop. Below you write or. I will give you one more definition. Okay, or you write first aid refers. Change the paragraph. Okay, first aid refers. Do the definition. I'm giving you two definitions. Meaning is same. First aid refers to the emergency or immediate care. First aid refers to the emergency or immediate care. Emergency or immediate care provided when a person is injured. Provided when a person is injured or ill. Provided when a person is injured or ill. Injured. I-N-J-U-R-E-D. Injured or ill. I-double-L, ill. Until full medical treatment is available. Until full medical treatment is available. Until full medical treatment. Medical. M-E-D-I-C-A-L. Until full F-U-double-L medical treatment is available. Full stop. Below, change the paragraph and write down for minor conditions. For minor conditions, minor, M-I-N-O-R. Minor means
যেটু মেজর না হয়
কি minor to major না হয়
A small injury. Small injury.
Yeah, not very serious, right?
not very serious.
First aid, okay. For minor conditions, comma, write down first aid care may be enough. For minor conditions, comma, first aid care may be enough. First aid care, CRE care, may be enough. E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Full stop. Then change the paragraph and write for serious problems, for serious or major problems, for serious, S-E-R-I-O-U-S, for serious or major, M-A-J-O-R, serious or major problems, P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S, problems, comma, first aid care first aid care should be continued. First aid care should be continued. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D. First aid care should be continued until more, M-O-R-E, more advanced care is available. Until more advanced care is available. Advanced care means the person should be taken to the hospital immediately. Okay, and CPR, ventilation, all these artificial things, artificial respiration, it should be given to the patient or the casualty if the condition is too much bad, worse. Okay, for minor things you can also handle, but if the case is too serious, you will have to take the patient or admit him or her to the hospital. Okay, next you write down aims of first aid. Aims of first aid. Aims, A-I-M-S. Aims of first aid, and then you can underline it. Aims of first aid. Then below you write the primary goal of first aid. The primary goal of first aid. The primary goal, G-O-A-L. The primary goal of first aid is to prevent death. Is to prevent death. D-E-A-T-H. Is to prevent death. D-E-A-T-H. Death or serious injury from worsening. Or serious, S-E-R-I-O-U-S. Serious injury, I-N-J-U-R-Y. serious injury from worsening. From worsening, worsening. W-O-R-S-E-N-I-N-G. Worsening, full stop. The key aims, K-E-Y. The key aims of first aid, the key aims of first aid, the key aims of first aid can be summarized, S-U-M-M-A-R-I-Z-E-D, can be summarized, S-U-M-M-A-R-I-Z-E-D, summarized with the three, T-H-R-E-E, with the three P's, P, capital P, apostrophe S, with the three P's, P, likha P, capital P, apostrophe S. Then below you write number 1, preserve life. The first P is preserve life, P-R-E-S-C-R-V, preserve life. Preserve life, put a dash and write the overriding aim, the overriding, O-V-E-R, overriding, R-I-D-I-N-G, the overriding aim of all medical care, the overriding aim, A-I-M, aim of all medical care, overriding aim of all medical care, CRE care, which includes first aid, comma, is to save lives, S-A-V-E, save, S-A-V-E, save, lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives, is to save lives and minimize the, minimize the threat of, T-R-E-A-T, the threat of death, D-A-T-H, death, full stop. First aid, continue. First aid done correctly, D-O-N-E, done correctly, C-O-R-R-E-C-T-L-Y, correctly, should help. First aid done correctly should help, reduce the, reduce, R-E-D-U-C, reduce the patient's level of pain, P-A-I-N, pain, and calm them down, C-A-L-M, calm them down, D-O-W-N, down, during the evaluation and treatment process. Calm them down during the evaluation, E-V-A-L-U-A-T-I-O-N, evaluation and treatment process, P-R-O-C-S-S, process. So preserve life means what? We will have to save life. Okay, we'll have to help the patient or the casualty. We will have to save life and lower the risk of death. Okay, and during evaluation and treatment process, we should help the patient, okay, by giving him some kind of treatment or by talking with the patient. Okay, evaluation means what? Head to toe examination. Okay, if there is, where is the injury, what is the name of the patient, from where he has come, what has the incident that has taken place, what is the problem with the patient. So head to toe examination, that it's most probably done in the hospital. So during the evaluation, after coming, when you are diagnosed with something, for example, if you are, if you are having diabetes, the doctor came to know after evaluation from head to toe that you are suffering from diabetes. So the treatment will start. So what are the treatment? Examples, they will give you saline, right? RN, all these treatments will be started. Again, they will ask you to avoid sugar, right? During the treatment process, what will happen? Doctor will advise you many things, not to have these, not to have that, right? Even sugar also lessen, you have to maintain the sugar level. right? Then you will have to have rotis, more amount of rotis and lesser amount of rice, because rice constitutes of more amount of carbohydrates and sugar. So all these type of small treatments that I'm telling you, so these are the treatment process. So at this time you will have to maintain your cool and calm behavior, okay? Not like you are in a hurry or not like you are talking rudely with the patient or the casualty, not like that. You have to be very soft and gentle because someone is suffering from something, okay? You will have to understand the person, okay? So number two, you write down prevent further harm. Tinita P's লিখিছিলে no, you wrote 3 P's. First P is preserve life, okay? The second P that we will discuss is prevent further harm. Prevent further harm, HARM. Prevent further harm, put a dash. Prevention of further harm includes, prevention of further harm includes, prevention of further, FURTHER. Prevention of further harm includes addressing, ADDRESSING, addressing both external factors, external EXTERNAL, external factors such as external factors, such as moving a patient, moving, MOVING, moving a patient away from any cause of harm. Moving a patient away from any cause of harm, 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 comma, and applying, APPLYING, and applying first aid techniques, TECHNIQUES, first aid techniques to prevent condition from worsening, to prevent the condition from worsening, 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 comma, such as applying pressure, APPLYING, applying pressure, PRESSURE, pressure to stop bleeding. Applying pressure to stop bleeding. If someone is bleeding, what would you do? If that person is having a nosebleed, if from the nose blood is coming out, okay? If there is bleeding from the nose, what would you do? You will allow that, let it go some more, let him have some more bleeding. You will just wait and see? No. What would you do? You will try to stop the bleeding, right? How will you stop the bleeding? You will give him some kind of handkerchief. You will ask him to, you will tell his chin to be tilted up so that the nose can go back, nose bleeding, so that the blood can go backward again. Instead of coming forward, it should go back again, okay? You will ask him to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So you will take some precautionary measures. But if someone is bleeding, you won't just see. So you will have to prevent further harm of the patient. You will have to take precautions, okay? And you will have to assist the patient as soon as possible. Not like dhire dhire, lahe lahe, not like that, okay? You will have to act fast. Third point you write down, promote recovery. Third point you write, promote recovery. Promote, PROMOT, promote recovery, RECOVERY, promote recovery. Put a dash, write down first aid also involves, INVOLVES, first aid also involves trying to start the recovery process. First aid also involves trying to start the recovery process, from the illness or injury. Recovery process from the illness or injury, comma, and in some cases it might involve, INVOLVE, completing a treatment, comma, such as in the case of applying plaster to a small wound, such as in the case of applying plaster to a small wound, W-O-U-N-D, applying plaster to a small wound. See, actually I have less than 1 minute now. Okay, here the remaining minute for this Zoom app is just 1 minute left, so I will continue this class next week. Okay, but the three are preserve life, prevent further harm, and then last is to promote recovery. Okay, but we will continue. It's not over. Okay, yes, say.
Ma'am,
Applying to the plaster.
Applying plaster to a small wound. Wound. W-O-U-N-D. Wound means?
घाव
ma'am, such as in the case.
Acha, okay. Jeet, you please give me the attendance. Okay, please write the roll number and names and give it to me later.